So we are again in the general area of the Orion star constellation, and we'll be featuring more of the images here in this area, in particular this one. So this is an image that works along with the Orion star constellation. Like I said on the last clip when I was here, I really enjoy these images because they serve a twofold purpose. And this is another example of that. The first surface understanding of this image, or to look at this image, is the location. This is telling you a location of a star. The exact location of a star when you look up in the sky and look at the star. It's really not there. Its actual location is just a bit ways off to the side. And here's the science that explains that. This represents the sun, and this would be the Earth, and how the Earth and the moon, they orbit each other like this. So when the light from the sun shines, the speed of light, at the way it travels and the way our eyes are designed, as it goes over this curve, yeah, you see this curve here, you actually think that a star is here. You see this sparkly image here, when its actual location is actually here. That's why you have this indentation here. The location of a star when you look up at the sky would be here, not here. It's just like fishing. When you see fishermen spearfishing on the reef, they don't aim directly at the fish. They go a little bit ways off to the side because of the reflection of the light. It's the same principle here. So that's the surface understanding of this image. Why do I say that? That this is not simply a stick-figured man? It is because our ancestors would never chisel a stick-figured man that looks like this with a missing hand. They wouldn't. This must serve a different purpose. Yeah, and this is what it is, in conjunction and connection with the storyline of this being a giant star map. So that is the surface understanding when you want to understand the exact location of a star. Now the second understanding of this image, tying this image into Orion, since we are in the area of the Orion star constellation, is it just so happens in the Orion star constellation there are binary star systems that are called ecliptic binary star systems. And what happens is you have these sister stars, but the way it's positioned, you can only see one. The other one is being eclipsed. That's how come you have one star here and a missing star here. Because this is now talking about ecliptic binary star system that you can't see. And it seems like in the Orion star constellation, this happens a lot. There's a lot of ecliptic binary star systems going on up there. And it's only after so many years you'll be able to see the sister star as the stars shift up in the sky. But so this is the understanding of this particular image, tying this one in with the rest of the storyline of the Orion star constellation.